NASA's James Webb Space Telescope provides this richly detailed infrared view of a massive star-forming region known as the Cat's Paw Nebula. In this relatively small portion of the nebula, Webb explores the star formation activity around the convergence of several dense filaments of dust. This vast cavity is carved out and illuminated by the intense winds and radiation of the massive stars inside it. Peering into these dense knots of dust, infrared light pierces the shroud to reveal deeply embedded stars, seen here as red rubies shining within glowing cocoons. Other massive stars, likely hidden by these dust clouds, shape an even larger bulbous cavern, dubbed the Opera House, that stretches towards the top of the image. After just 3 years in operation, Webb continues to unveil the mysteries of the infrared universe, providing astounding images, groundbreaking insights, and unprecedented scientific discoveries.